Welcome to the Bosch Rexroth Regional Training Center BRRTC, your gateway to cutting-edge industrial training and expertise. Situated at the forefront of technological innovation, BRRTC is dedicated to empowering professionals with the knowledge and skills essential for success in today's dynamic industrial landscape. Here at BRRTC, our vision is to drive the adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies in the new Jurong Innovation District. Our aim is to empower the next generation of engineers through enterprise engagement, certified trainings and proof of concepts. As a globally recognized leader in drive and control technologies, we offer a diverse array of comprehensive certified training programs designed to cater to the needs of individuals and organizations across various sectors. Whether you're seeking to enhance your proficiency in automation technologies or delve into the realm of connected manufacturing, we have a course for you. Through hands-on workshops, interactive simulations, and immersive learning experiences, participants at BRRTC gain practical insights and real-world solutions that drive performance and productivity. But BRRTC is more than just a training center. We believe in putting theory into practice through our proof of concepts implementation. Whether it's optimizing production processes, improving efficiency, or solving complex technical challenges, our proof of concepts allow companies to pilot their ideas, getting them ready, before implementing the processes and upscaling them into their businesses. Join us at the Bosch Rexroth Regional Training Center and embark on a journey of discovery, learning, and professional growth. Together, let's shape the future of manufacturing and drive innovation forward.